Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how often you can check your Equifax credit report. The simple answer is you can check your Equifax credit report frequently and often for free without hurting your credit score. By law, you are entitled to at least one free credit report every 12 months from Equifax and the other two major credit bureaus, Experian and TransUnion, by visiting annualcreditreport.com. However, beyond this annual report, there are now more ways to check your Equifax report for free more often. For example, through annualcreditreport.com, you can currently access your reports from all three bureaus, including Equifax, for free on a weekly basis. Also, Equifax offers free services, like through a My Equifax account, which often provides access to your Equifax report and sometimes your credit score monthly. Checking your own report this way is known as a soft inquiry, and it never affects your credit score. Checking your report frequently is a smart financial practice. It allows you to monitor your credit health, catch any potential errors, and spot signs of identity theft quickly. Remember that while you can check your report often, the information on your credit report is typically updated by your creditors monthly, so changes might not appear instantly after a payment. So, to summarize, while federal law guarantees one free Equifax report annually, you can currently access your Equifax report for free much more often, even weekly, through authorized sites, and monthly through Equifax's own services. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.